Hi guys, in this lecture I am going to teach you this value of a margin, that is the special value of the margin, that is 0 pixel auto, and how it works. So now here I have already created a div and here is the text inside the div, and now I'm going to give it the border. Here is the border is 1 pixel solid, and then here is the red color. Now let's execute it. So here is the border is apply, and now I'm gonna give it width. Here is the width is 100 pixel white and height is 100 pixel. So now let's look at it. So here it look like this. So now I'm going to increase its width to the 600 pixel. So now let's here you can see that this div is in the left corner, but if you want to align or you want to set the position of the div at the center of the page in the x-axis, or you can also say that you want to align the div at the center in the horizontal direction, so you have to write margin then 0 pixel then auto, and it will be set this div in the center in the x-axis. And you can also give it the background color and many other properties, then you can watch it clearly. Here is the yellow. So now let's look at it. So in this way you can set the div to the center. So I hope you enjoy this lecture. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion on Udemy. I will help you as much as I can. So thank you for watching this video.